What's up, guys? Today I have a 2015 Chevy Malibu, and my little shifter button is stuck. Okay, I can't really do much with it, so let's try to fix it. I'm bring it all the way back. The car is off. Okay, now this button gets stuck on here. Please forgive me for this beeping, but the first thing we need to do is we need to remove this plastic cover. All right, so let's do that. Remove this plastic cover. You need to get a small screwdriver and stick it right here. Pop that out and do on the other side. Let's see. Just like that. So let's try to do that and pull it out real quick. Hold on. Once it's popped out, just make sure you carefully pull it forward. Spread both sides up. That's how you get this piece out. Next, let's take this piece out right here. So we stick it down here. Down here. Let's see. Right here. Pop that out. And then up here, bring it up. And it should just slide out. Just like that. And this is the thing right here that we are having trouble with. All right, so we're gonna pull this out all the way. Let me see, since this is broken, it's gonna come out. Oh, came out just like that. Careful with this little spring right there that I just completely ignored because it was messed up. Anyways, once this piece is out, let's put our replacement part in, and this is the part number 425-39736. Comes the whole kit that I just took out, comes in here, including the new part. You see, this is what's broken right here. In order to take this off, we need to get that little pin. You see that little pin right there? You need to push that little pin out or pull it out and then remove that. So let's do that. Once you remove that pin, you put it right there. That little plastic thing should just slide out of there. And now you should have clear room to put this the new parts in. So let's go ahead and put the new parts in. Okay, so all you do is just put the new part together and slide it back in just like that, and then make sure that that spring goes over the little notch. If you notice on the old one, there's a little notch right there. The new part, that's where the spring is set right now. It has a little notch, and now it goes in and out with no problems. We're gonna grab our pin and hook it up, and put the trim parts back in, and we'll be done with this job. All right, so all you do is you line it up and you push down and it clicks into place. There you go. Now I grab the little cover, put the cover back in, and we should be done. Well, once you put that part together, now it doesn't get stuck anymore. Very good. All right, guys, there you have it. That's how you replace the gear shifter button on a 2015 Chevy Sonic, or any vehicle that uses the same lever made by GM. I showed you the part number, which is this right here, 425-39736. 425-39736. Yes, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.